Hey guys, welcome to Pink Social Marketing. In this video, I'll teach you how I create this cool, amazing video inside text effect in Canva. If you're interested, then keep on watching because this tutorial is going to be super helpful. So without wasting any more time, let's start this video.